Hi there, I'm Ryan Lazanis of Future Firm, and when it comes to maximizing the price you charge your clients, the discovery call is arguably the most critical step of the sales and pricing process. A discovery call is a meeting where you learn more about your client's needs and value drivers so that you can propose a solution that makes commercial sense for both parties. Contrary to what many do, a discovery call is not a consultation. This call exists for you to understand your prospect's situation and to extract relevant information to help you understand what's required of you along with how to price your work. You're not providing advice here, you'll get paid for that later. Knowing what price to set, coming up with a high price, and landing that high price has everything to do with assessing the amount of value you're creating for your client and prospect beforehand. And luckily, a well-designed discovery call will allow you to do just that so that you're armed with the information you need to set your price. The big trick to increasing your prices is to start asking questions that probe for value. As an example, instead of just asking, how many bank transactions does your business have each month? Transition to follow-up questions that ask, how does it make you feel to spend your time reconciling these 200 bank transactions per month? If the prospect responds by saying it drives them nuts and detracts from the growth of their business, you know you're able to set a higher price in this situation if you can eliminate that pain for them. With the right questions asked and your discovery call completed, you're in a great position to set higher prices in your firm and use Ignition to quickly get your deal closed. I'd even consider embedding a Loom video in your Ignition proposals that recaps the call along with the value that you'll be providing. To recap, if setting high prices is important in your firm, work on improving your discovery calls. You're going to notice a huge difference.